Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric angles. Begin by visualizing the unit circle, a powerful tool for understanding angle relationships. Focus on the primary angles, 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. These foundational angles are crucial for building a strong understanding. Remember that angles can be expressed in both degrees and radians, with 90 degrees equaling pi over 2 radians. Now let's dive into sine and cosine. On the unit circle, the sine of an angle corresponds to the y-coordinate, while the cosine corresponds to the x-coordinate. For instance, the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2, and its cosine is the square root of 3 over 2. You can use mnemonic devices or patterns, like the hand trick, to easily recall these values for angles such as 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Moving on to tangent and the reciprocal functions. The tangent of an angle is simply its sine value divided by its cosine value. For example, the tangent of 45 degrees is 1. The reciprocal functions are also straightforward. Cosecant is 1 over sine, secant is 1 over cosine, and cotangent is 1 over tangent. Mastering these relationships will significantly enhance your trigonometric understanding. Consistent practice is key to mastering trigonometric angles. Regularly quiz yourself on the sine, cosine, and tangent values for the common angles. Work through numerous problems involving trigonometric identities and equations to solidify your knowledge. Applying these concepts to practical situations, such as calculating heights or distances, will deepen your understanding and demonstrate their real-world utility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.